Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. Welcome to day 5 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. Take a moment to think about how far you've come. 5 days ago, you decided to improve your English. Today, you are still here. That means you are building a habit, and habits create success. Today, we're going to learn something that will make your English sound much more natural. We're going to practice everyday English phrases. These are the phrases that people use every single day. You don't need difficult vocabulary. You need useful English. So let's begin. Phrase 1, how's it going? This is another way to say, how are you? Repeat after me. How's it going? It's going well. Pretty good. Not bad. Excellent. Now let's use it in a conversation. Hi. How's it going? Pretty good. How about you? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Wonderful. Phrase 2, no worries. People use this phrase when they want to say, it's okay. Repeat after me. No worries. No worries at all. You're welcome. Glad to help. Excellent conversation practice. Thank you for helping me. No worries, happy to help. Fantastic. Phrase 3, sounds good. This means that's a good idea. Repeat after me. Sounds good. That sounds great. Let's do it. Excellent conversation practice. Would you like to study together tomorrow? Sounds good. What time? Let's meet at 3 o'clock. Perfect. Phrase 4, I'm on my way. Repeat after me. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. See you in a few minutes. Excellent conversation practice. Where are you? I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. Great. Phrase 5. Take your time. Repeat after me. Take your time. There's no hurry. It's okay. Excellent conversation practice. I'm sorry I'm late. No problem. Take your time. Wonderful. Speaking challenge. Now I want you to answer these questions using today's phrases. Your friend asks, how's it going? Someone says, thank you. Your friend invites you to a movie. Someone asks, where are you? Someone says, I'm sorry I'm late. Excellent. Remember, learning useful phrases is one of the fastest ways to become a better English speaker. You don't need hundreds of grammar rules. You need expressions that people actually use. Keep practicing, keep repeating, keep speaking. Excellent work. You have already learned several useful English phrases. Now, let's continue with a few more expressions that native speakers use every day. Remember, don't just listen. Speak with me. Phrase 6, I can't wait. People say this when they are excited about something. Repeat after me. I can't wait. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to start. I can't wait for tomorrow. Excellent. Now, let's practice. I'm going on vacation next week. That's amazing. I can't wait to hear about it. Fantastic. Phrase 7, clears throat. It depends. Sometimes the answer is not simply yes or no. Repeat after me. It depends. It depends on the weather. It depends on my schedule. I'm not sure yet. Excellent. Conversation practice. Are you coming tomorrow? It depends. I have some work to finish first. Very good. Phrase 8. That's a good question. Repeat after me. That's a good question. Let me think. I'm not sure. I'll find out. Excellent. Now practice. How did you learn English so quickly? That's a good question. I practice every day. Wonderful. Phrase 9. Give me a minute. Repeat after me. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Just a moment. Excellent. Conversation practice. Can you help me now? Sure. Give me a minute. Great. Phrase 10. Good for you. This phrase is used when you're happy for someone. Repeat after me. Good for you. Congratulations. That's wonderful. Excellent. Conversation practice. I got a new job. Good for you. Congratulations. Fantastic. Role play practice. Now let's use several phrases together. Imagine you're talking with your friend. Hi, how's it going? Pretty good. How about you? I'm doing great. I'm on my way to English class. That's great. I can't wait to hear about it. Thanks. See you soon. See you. Excellent. That sounded like a real conversation. Speak without stopping. Now, I have a challenge for you. For the next 1 minute, speak without stopping. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your family. Use today's phrases whenever possible. If you make a mistake, keep going. Don't stop. Fluent speakers don't stop after every mistake. They continue speaking. You can do the same. Today's fluency tip. Here's today's tip. Don't memorize single words. Memorize useful phrases. Your brain remembers phrases more easily than isolated vocabulary. For example, instead of remembering the word wait, remember I can't wait. Instead of remembering the word depend, remember it depends. This will help you speak faster and more naturally. Today's mission. Before tomorrow's lesson, try to use at least 5 of today's phrases in your own speaking practice. Talk to yourself. Record your voice or practice in front of a mirror. The important thing is use English every single day. Final motivation. Congratulations. You have completed day 5 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. Look at your progress. 5 days ago, you were just getting started. Today, you understand more, you speak more, and you are becoming more confident every day. Be proud of yourself. Most people give up after a few days, but you are still here. That shows commitment, and commitment creates success. Tomorrow is day 6. Tomorrow, we are going to practice speaking English for a longer time without stopping. You will learn how to express your ideas more clearly and speak with greater confidence. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. I'll see you tomorrow in day 6. Until then, take care, keep speaking English, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.